Another area that's really fun to come visit is Little India, which is right off of the downtown train station. It kind of reminds me of Istanbul, where they had the bazaar, and like Morocco, where they had the, I forget what they call the market there. There's a ton of gold shops, there's a bunch of henna places, and then souvenir shops like this behind me. Also, there's a lot of places where you can get authentic Indian clothing and garments. But what I'm actually here for is one of the Hindu temples. I have no idea how to pronounce it. I would completely butcher it, but I will put the name of it up across the screen. Of course, if you come into the temple, you want to make sure you're appropriately dressed. I bought a scarf to wrap around myself. I believe you have to be covered to your ankles and at least 3/4 of your arms as well. I just left that temple and I'm so emotional. Like, being in that temple, I felt things that make me remember why I love traveling so much. I'm gonna try to make this as brief as I can, but I really want you guys to understand what I felt in there. Coming from a very Christian background, hearing that essentially every other religion was basically all doomed to hell, something that I questioned more and more as I grew up. As I kind of got older and started to question some of the principles, that was one of my main ones. It was, okay, well, if you know this religion believes in the same principles as ours, then why do they go to hell for speaking a different tongue and worshiping a God with a different name? You know what I mean? Since then, I've kind of become more like one of those spiritual people. I believe that God is love and that is it. Being at that temple and looking at all of those different altars, like, I felt God, y'all. It moved me, like I had a tear in my eye. So it's really not about who the name of your God, the name of your deity. It's really just about the spirit that moves you and about the purity and the dedication of your worship. So that was something that I'm so grateful I got to experience. That may have been one of my favorite experiences in Singapore yet.